Good morning, everyone. I hope you're enjoying my calligraphy sessions and my teaching, and I hope you're learning as well as uh, enjoying it. And let's start with today's session. I hope you all are safe at your places. So, yesterday we saw up to R, and then now we'll start with S, the alphabet S. Okay. Take a slant line, a curve, and round. Okay, and you just need to double this part. Okay, and color it. Okay, I'll show you once again. Take a slant line, a curve. Okay, and you need to color this part. Okay. See, if you find it difficult, you can go like this also. Draw a normal S. Okay, and take a stroke over here and double this. Okay, do this only if you have a problem with the other one. Okay, if you are not able to do like this, then only you go for this one. Okay, the upper part should be small and the down part should be bigger. Okay, so this is just an alternative if you are not comfortable with that. Okay, but this is not advisable. You should go with this method only. Okay, yeah, so now we'll go with the letter U. Okay, U is also very simple. Just a slanting stroke, turn, come back again, and down, and a stroke. Okay, double this part and this part. Okay, I'll show you once again. It's very easy. Take a slant line, take a turn, move back up, again come down and a turn. Okay, and double this line and this line. Okay, and color it. Okay, see how beautiful it looks. Now we'll go with the letter V. Okay, now for V, the line should be slant, but it should be a bit curvy. Okay, a bit curvy, not more curvy. Bit curvy. Again, a bit curve. Take a turn and this. Okay, and you need to color this part and this part. Okay, but this should be pointed. Look at this. Okay, this should be pointed. ये pointed होना चाहिए, वो curve नहीं होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. Okay, I'll show you once again. See, ऐसे straight भी नहीं करना है. Okay, no, this is wrong. हल्का सा curve होना चाहिए, हल्का सा. Okay, यहाँ पे point होना चाहिए. Okay, and double this part. Okay, चलो now we'll go with W, the letter W. W is just similar to V. ओके V को हम ट्वाइस रिपीट करने वाले हैं. ओके we are going to repeat it twice, that becomes your W. Double this part. See, again a pointed होना चाहिए. Okay, it should not be like this. Okay, no, ये कर्व नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके इट शुड नॉट बी कर्व, इट शुड बी पॉइंटेड. ओके एंड ये जो वी है उसी को डबल कर दिया हमने. ओके एंड या ये ज़्यादा ब्रॉड भी नहीं होना चाहिए एंड ज़्यादा थिन भी नहीं होना चाहिए. सो कीप दैट थिंग्स इन योर माइंड. ओके सी आई विल शो यू वंस अगेन. Practice each letter at least 10 times. Okay, then only you will get that perfection. Okay, आप एक दो बार करके छोड़ दोगे then you will not get that perfect lines and strokes and everything. Okay, see. Okay, इसको अभी ऐसे भी नहीं लिखना है कि बहुत ज़्यादा मोटा कर दिया. No, कि बहुत ज़्यादा पतला कर दिया. No. Okay, so keep those things in your mind. Okay, now we'll go for the next letter, that is X. Okay, we'll go for X. Now X is a bit curvy. And double this part. Okay, see, I have taken 3 lines but you go for just 2 lines. Okay, ये बड़ा लिखा है ताकि you can see it clearly. Okay, but you can go for 2 lines. Okay, you should go for 2 lines only. See, I'll show you for 2 lines also. कर्व में होना चाहिए. ओके and double this stroke only. Okay, not both the stroke, just one stroke. Okay, this is also very easy. Yeah, but you can't write like this. Okay, ये आप नहीं कर सकते हो because this is professionally agreed. Okay, but okay, if you want you like this, you can go by this also, because some may find this difficult because वो curve आना is very difficult. Okay, so that requires a practice. For that what you need to do is, no, you need to practice this curves. Okay, ये practice करो पहले. Then the strokes. ओके, ये प्रैक्टिस करो पहले. अगर आपको एक्स बनाने में डिफ़िकल्टी हो रहा है, इफ़ यू फाइंड डिफ़िकल्ट ड्राइंग एक्स, देन यू प्रैक्टिस दिस स्ट्रोक्स फर्स्ट एंड देन यू ट्राई टू ड्रॉ एक्स. ओके, सो इट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू. ओके, या नाउ विल गो विद द लेटर बी. ओके, नाउ विल गो विद द लेटर बी. Now you just need to draw an ascender stroke. Okay, just an ascender stroke. Double it and B. Okay, and then color it. Okay, okay. This is just a B. See, B can be extended up to 4 lines because it is a tall letter. Tall letter मतलब see it has a T. ये यहाँ पे बड़ा है, right? So they are called as tall letters. So tall letters है जैसे B है, D है, F है, G है, K है, L है, not L, K है. For that you can take 4 lines. Okay. Otherwise 2 lines is more than enough. Okay. I'll show you once again. You have to just take an ascending stroke, a slanting one, then you have to double it and draw an oval over here. Okay, oval, and double it, color. Okay, now you can extend the stroke like this also. Okay, or anything you want, any curves or something, it's up to you. It's your creativity. Okay, आप उसको कितना creative बना रहे हो, it is up to you. I just showed you one stroke. आप इसको कैसे भी extend कर सकते हो. Okay, you can extend it like this also. ओके, इट्स अप टू यू, आपको कैसे कर्व लेना है. इट्स योर क्रिएटिविटी. ओके, एवरीवन हैज़ देयर ओन क्रिएटिविटी, सो यू कैन एक्सटेंड द स्ट्रोक एज अकॉर्डिंग टू यू. हाँ, लेकिन एक चीज़ ध्यान में रखो, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा स्ट्रोक्स मत करो. सो थोड़ा लिमिट में रह के करो, इट विल लुक गुड. एंड बी का सी, इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दिस. ओके, अगर आपने ऐसे लिखा तो दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. ये ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी लाइक दिस. ओके, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. यू डोंट लाइक दिस. दिस इज रॉन्ग. ओके, इट शुड बी ओवल. ओके, नॉट लाइक दिस. Then we'll go for the next alphabet, that is D. Okay, again same, you have to go for an ascending stroke. Double it, and again a oval over here. Okay, and double that. सी, आप बाहर से डबलिंग कर रहे हो, अंदर से डबलिंग कर रहे हो, इट इज़ टोटली अप टू यू. wherever you find comfortable, you can double it from there. Okay, so this becomes your D. It's just a reverse of B. B का reverse है D. Okay, I'll show you once again. Double this part, and then an oval over here. Okay, and double it. Okay, now you can also just like we did for P, here also you can extend the stroke like this or something, whatever you feel like doing it, something creative. It's up to you. Okay, you can extend those strokes the way you like. Okay, and try to use your creativity for the strokes. Okay, and once again I want to tell you कि ये D आपको ऐसे नहीं लिखना है. ओके, दिस विल बी रॉन्ग. वो ओवल आना चाहिए यहाँ पे, ओवल. ओके, द शेप शुड बी ऑफ ओवल, नॉट सेमी सर्कल. ऐसे नहीं लिखना है, दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. सी, ये D और ये D में डिफरेंस देखो. दिस लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल. ये सिर्फ नॉर्मल लगता है इसमें. So it should be an oval. These are the small mistakes, from which if you do this kind of mistake, now your calligraphy will not look that beautiful. So if you want to make your writing very beautiful, you should focus on the small small things, then only you will be able to write it very beautifully. Okay. So I hope I was much clear to you about the letters like S, U, V. It should be pointed over your W. It should be pointed over your X. For X, the curve should be very nice. If you're uncomfortable to draw for the curves, I told you to practice this curves. Okay, this like this and then like this. Okay, try to solve this. Okay, try to practice this. Once you are comfortable with this, then you can go for X. Okay, and I just try to avoid this kind of X. Okay, and yeah, B, you can use your creativity for your this strokes. You can use any kind of creativity, but it should not be too long or not too short. Okay, वो अच्छा दिखना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी गोल 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 कर दिया ऐसे, ठीक है, वैसा क्रम्बल नहीं करना है. ओके, एंड या सी, इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दिस. वो ओवल शेप आना चाहिए, देन ओनली इट विल लुक ब्यूटीफुल. दिस विल नॉट एट ऑल लुक गुड. द सेम अप्लाइज विथ टी ऑल्सो. टेक अ स्लांटिंग स्ट्रोक एंड योर इट शुड बी एन ओवल शेप. सेमी सर्कल मत लेना, इट विल नॉट लुक गुड. ओवर योर ऑल्सो द स्ट्रोक, द टेल you can take forward and you can apply your creativity and have some beautiful strokes. It is totally up to you, and I hope you enjoyed today's sessions. Bye bye.